All right, exposing the secrets of PBX S and R trading scanner that will help either you are a day trader or a swing trader. And as a beginner, the first thing I'll say is that on your watch list of your trading view, maybe you should have just currencies. So it's going to help you because if you are a beginner and you're just a swing trader, so like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. Oh wow, amazing. It pumped back now. That means it's going to tell on Euro USD now. Okay, so Euro USD, USD, GBP GBP USD, USD JPY, um, GBP JPY, all right, Euro JPY, all of those things. So what to do, scalping or days trading and all of that. So let's start from anyone I see, okay? No problem. Now, first of all, you may want to just hide your scanner. How do you hide it? You can click here or just blind them for a session, for a season. So I'll blind them. I will blind them. Okay? So now you have your plain chart. Even though you don't blind them, because some of you who are beginners, you don't necessarily need to know so much analysis. Your own is that I'm taking trade, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so here is go. Here is go. Here is go. Here is go. Let's hear his go. Let his go. All right, so let's go. Now, this is your chart. First, just go to daily time frame and look at the candle that is being printed. Look at Euro JPY. You know that Euro JPY was at a point almost bearish. I don't need to do technical analysis. If not, show you some things here now. This is a break of structure. This another break of structure. Then we have this low. Never broke. Only swept. That means we have a rally up. Then this is where we have a sweep of liquidity. Sorry, change of character. Those of us who are trading smart money, it had even knows price action and all of that. So I'm not saying you should do this, but I just want to show you something. When I see market travel down to this point, that's several days back, you should have an idea that the market was going to return back at least to origin, or even at least to 50% here. That is already inside the 50%. So look at the order block. So the fair value gap. So to an extent, it still has some buy allowance. You see that? Sometimes when you open like that, maybe this candle you will see it's not healthy. So but look at it on daily time frame now. So that means this market, like yesterday was bullish, then today too supposed to continue as it were. So as a swing trader, you have checked, okay, on a daily time frame, this market logically is getting bearish to the exhaustion point, because if you see where it came from, okay? So then you have to go to 4 hours to just look at the structure properly. In 4 hours, you can see the structure properly. Now, your market scanner gave a buy here. So you are just coming for the day. And you see this type of a thing of 4 hours. So today, making this record 25th. So look at it. This candle is bullish, targeting to this point. That's still a good point to go. If I look at it now, on 1 hour time frame, how many pips can I still do? About 40-something pips, at least if it's going to get to that resistance. So you just go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame has left you behind a little. You see that? Because if you see that the candle was bullish on 4 hours, so come down to 1 hour time frame, you should have find a trade. But this candle is still going massive, so you have to wait for the candle to actually retrace for you to find a buy. So that will make you to travel to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you go to 15 minutes, so 15 minutes now, so a potential sell, which is supposed to be a reversal. So if it's able to reverse from there a little, you are looking for a buy. All right. But if you have come earlier, this is like 4 a.m., you will have bought, right, on top of here. So you just wait for a pullback and then you buy. Now, if you buy, to a day trader, put your stop loss. Put your stop loss on to a reasonable. Take profit 1:2 risk was be your first target. And every other position you now open, you can allow them to run, but you must put the stop loss. So it's the same way. Everything. So if I go back to 1 hour, so take another instrument. You can see that you're trading with ease, no too much stress for you. So like Euro USD, I wonder what caused that massive pump and dump. Look at Euro USD on 4 hours. So you have a place to go here. Go to 1 hour. So now, like now, this is pulling back. So you can wait for the pullback, which is good for you. Go to 30 minutes, you see the pullback, perhaps because you had broken the structure. Okay, for 15 minutes, how long will this pullback go? It's already at a particular support. If you break it, that means you come down to even this entry point. Who knows? So you just wait for it to confirm a new entry, then you buy. So this one does not require too much technical know-how. Want to know so much. Does not require that. Look at GBP JPY. But so here you have this. GBP JPY. I was talking about inverse head and shoulder after we bought, right? Inverse head and shoulder that we need a retest. I don't think that retest happened properly. We're start giving a support now. Let's look at daily. Okay, so now this market will continue to buy. Oh, yes, to continue to buy. So if we go to 4 hours, see the structure, just broke major resistance, now getting support. Okay, so now let's go. It's been resisted at a major pivot level. Okay, so now let's go. No stress, effortlessly. Go to your 15-minute time frame because at the resistance point now. So let's see, maybe you can still give you any pullback because you see that this is a resistance, the resistance. So even if you sell, the sell may not be too much. So you just wait for pullback for you to now buy. Okay. Some sell. Well, because the market is bullish. So if you sell, take profit fast because it can just leave you behind. Okay. So the same thing on Euro USD. Good. Look at like Euro USD now. See it as pullback and now create a support. So you don't need to wait. What do? You buy, or if you cannot buy, you wait for this candle to close, you buy. But when this already open, this one, then the support is there, you click on buy. And then do your risk management and all of that. So if you buy such, you may want to take stop loss because you didn't join the party on time. You want to put stop loss to a reasonable point. That's for swing trader, even day trader. So you just navigate right and simple as possible. So anything currencies, of course, you can comfortably trade them. You get it? Very, very fantastic. Okay. That's just the thing I want us to know as a day trader, swing trader. Just put currencies in your chart. Allow, okay, look at GBP now. Look at GBP now. See buy. Very simple. So if you buy here now, you can just say, hey, GBP USD. Maybe you allow this candle to close or even not close. Can put stop loss here, 12 pips. Target this resistance. 1:2 risk reward. You allow it to run. Don't interject, just allow it to run. This stuff, I'm telling you, this is the best tools I've ever seen to help a lot of people maximize the market. Okay? So it's a very simple stuff. Follow simple instruction, then you are good to go. And talk about the Euro USD. You allow it to pull back, and then at support level. Okay, you now pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Okay, I hope it's clear. Very simple and clear enough for you to understand. Don't struggle. Allow your trade to run. If it's going to hit your stop loss, let it hit. That's why you take your measurement, your trade while you are entering. It's simple. So stop stressing yourself. Trade. Hey, I need to know this. You don't need to know everything. Just know one thing that work and can be repeated again and again. And that's how you this kind of. Another thing is that if a market is even a trend market, let me see a market that's really trending. Okay, which market is trending more? Okay, okay. So let's do this. Kind of again has additional feature that you can enable, but don't always keep it so that you won't be using that as a dictator for your trade. It has moving average. So you can just double click on the indicator and then look at the 50 and 200. You can tap it this way. Can you see now? So you can know which market, at least if you're a scalper or whatever, you know which market is still in a downtrend. So when you are entering the market, so you know that, okay, if you should favor more of selling rather than buying, or more of buying rather than selling. Okay, let's look at gold. You can see that gold crosses major milestone of 50 million dollars. So look at Bitcoin. I told you Bitcoin is going to come down. Remember? So where is this? So I've just told you, find an entry, and the same thing on the EBP USD. Find an entry. Okay. Whichever one again. So I've just showed you how to. It's very simple. So you don't drag. So I just want to find a trade that is trending. Do you have any trending trade? Here. Look at this now. Can you see this one? So it still give you a moving average. You can see, okay, this market is an uptrend. So that when the market even pull back to that your region, AUDJPY, it give you more confirmation. Some will come and bounce on top of 50 moving average or 200 moving average. then you are buying more. Some reject because maybe it's already a downtrend. So that's an added advantage for you. Okay, so which other one? Okay, look at this. So the more of your resistant zone you have, the lower the market go down. Okay, so you can see this one now. So we go back and remove your moving average. So because you can dirty. I don't like my chart to be too dirty. I just need something clean. You can see this one you enter now. It's traveling up. Okay. You can see the Euro USD. Can you see? It's traveling up. That's the lovely thing about this market. Bought in is giving me money already. Oh, yes. You hear me right? Giving me more money already. So you just take it easy with yourself. So instead of struggling with just Euro USD and GBP USD, USD JPY, like look at USD JPY now. If you return back here, find a nice support, you buy. That's it. You buy. That's all. And when it's extreme, your scanner give you do this, do that, you do that, and then you're making money. Okay. Which other one again? So any instrument at all. Any instrument at all. So you just add. So look at Bitcoin now. So imagine if you actually, well, I can tell you be careful with Bitcoin because it can run more than you. So what the analysis I did on Bitcoin was that we're waiting to buy Bitcoin here. So can't I sell? Why not? You could sell, right? You could have sell. So Bitcoin, you can see. Let me see. You can see Bitcoin. Okay. So now Bitcoin, I wouldn't know what I actually marked here. So the psychological level, so it could come there. That's the beautiful side of like Bitcoin. See that? Breaking down. Even gold will say it should come down. But this is getting support, moral support. After dripping down, it came back. So that's it. A swing trader, some trade just want to take it on 1 hour. So instead of instead of I see that 1 hour is bearish. Remember what we did about the analysis? If you don't understand some of the analysis we did on Bitcoin, okay, as Bitcoin. What am I trying to put again here? Let's take this. So see the rejection, 1 hour time frame. You could have sell too. You're targeting a powerful entry when it come down. So this one is still struggling. Can see that the major support is actually here. So BTC with a 30-minute. On 30 minutes, even your scanner tells you to sell. So that would have been like this. Okay. So I hope this is well explained, that you don't give yourself stress over your trading. You trade effortlessly. That's the beautiful side of this scanner. Install, start trading with it, find an entry, your sniper call give you, and if give you that resistance support point, see like Bitcoin now, it give you, don't even need to wait for any reason. Okay, this resistance was not a major or strong one, so this ones above here are stronger. This support was stronger than it. No story. You push in, put your stop loss, and go to bed. Thank you. Bye for now.